All right, so it's my pleasure to be here today to talk about my experience as a essentially a customer of CMC's MPW service, where we're using them to send designs to get fabricated with GlobalFoundries, and have been doing so for a couple of years now. CMC is serving as the interface between us and the foundry. And so they coordinate what's called multi-project wafer, or MPW runs. This is where many different teams are putting their designs together onto a single reticle that then goes to the foundry to get manufactured. And these MPW runs are key to be able to understand if you got a good design, and it also amortizes the costs across those multiple riders. The other things that CMC is doing is they accept design and they run check to make sure that it's manufacturable. They then aggregate all those designs, as I've mentioned, and then, very important, they interface with the foundry on all questions related to the run. Things like if I need a waiver, if I what the export classification, how much it costs, meeting the schedule, etc. And I have experience working directly with the foundry on a few runs, and it's really complicated to work through their system. And having CMC serve as that interface is really critical for us to do it well, to do it on schedule, and to allow us to focus on the key things that we do for our research. And just to put a plug in, my experience with CMC is they are very responsive, knowledgeable, flexible. They get back to you very quickly, often within a few hours with your questions, and it just makes the overall process smooth and easy. So to summarize, what I see as keys to success in the IC research space is, number one, you need really great students. And number two, you really would like to have a curriculum that supports IC design in the analog, RF, and digital spaces, so your students can get trained in all of those different disciplines. Number three is you want a relationship with the foundry and the service providers to give you the access to technology, the support along the way, and ultimately to allow you to tape out. And this is where CMC is serving a critical role. Number four is you need CAD tools, and you've heard about that. You need a fully validated flow. That's really important, and so that you know that it works start to finish and gives you accurate results. You need a way to package and prototype things, and then measurement facilities. So I'll stop there